Afghan English Academy.
Keep your mouth shut. I will not marry you. You will stay here for a long time.
Keep your mouth shut. خوله دې بنده وساته. I will not marry you. زه به له تا سره واده ونه کړمه. marry ویل کېږي واده کولو ته. You will stay here for a long time. ته به دلته پاتې کېږي د ډېر وخت لپاره.
I love my daughter a lot. I don't need your money. I will protect my daughter.
I love my daughter a lot. زه له خپل لور سره ډېره مینه کومه. I don't need your money. زه ستا روپیو ته ضرورت نه لرم. I will protect my daughter. زه به خپله لور ساتمه.
Let's go, Eliza. We should go now. I don't want to see his face.
Let's go, Eliza. راځه چې لاړ شو, Eliza. We should go now. موږ باید اوس لاړ شو. I don't want to see his face. زه نه غواړم چې د هغه مخ ووینم.
What have I done? I cannot stay here. Oh no.
What have I done? ما څه کړي دي. I cannot stay here. زه نشم کولی چې دلته پاتې شم. Oh no, oh no.
I have to do something. Eliza has to marry me.
I have to do something. زه باید یو څه وکړم. Eliza has to marry me. Eliza باید د ما سره واده وکړي.
I cannot stop thinking about her. Where is she? I want to meet her.
I cannot stop thinking about her. زه د هغې باره کې فکر کول نشم بند کولی. think ویل کېږي فکر کول. Where is she? هغه چیرته ده. I want to meet her. زه غواړم چې له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم.
She is a brave girl. She helps others. I will find her soon.
She is a brave girl. هغه یوه زړوره جنۍ ده. brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. She helps others. هغه له نورو سره کومک کوي. I will find her soon. زه به هغه ډېر ژر پیدا کړم.
I love her a lot. I am in love. I will marry her.
I love her a lot. زه له هغې سره ډېره مینه کوم. I am in love. زه په مینه کې یم. I will marry her. زه به له هغې سره واده کوم.
I miss my son a lot. I cannot live without him. Oh, my son.
I miss my son a lot. زه خپل زوی ډېر یادوم. یعنې ډېر مې خپل زوی یادېږي. I cannot live without him. زه د هغه نه بغیر نشم اوسېدلی. Oh no son. Oh نه زویه.
It is your fault. I want to meet my son. Why did you kick him out?
It is your fault. دا ستا غلطي ده. fault ویل کېږي غلطي ته. I want to meet my son. زه غواړم چې له خپل زوی سره ملاقات وکړم. Why did you kick him out? تا ولې هغه وشړو. kick out ویل کېږي شړلو ته.
I don't know anything. You have to bring my son back.
I don't know anything. زه په هیڅ هم نه پوهېږم. You have to bring my son back. ته باید زما زوی بیرته راولې.
You are right. It was my huge mistake. I chose money over my son.
You are right. ته بالکل صحیح یې. It was my huge mistake. دا زما یوه غټه غلطي وه. huge mistake ویل کېږي غټه غلطي ته. I choose money over my son. ما د زوی نه ما روپۍ ښې وګڼلې. پوه شوې دی مطلب دی. مطلب ما روپۍ وګڼلې د زوی په پرتله.
I am in a hot water. I lost my 50% shares. I will not do any illegal business again.
I am in hot water. زه په یو غټ مشکل کې یم. ملګرو in a hot water مطلب دا دی په مشکل کې. څه دی نو دی وایي I am in a hot water. زه په یو مشکل کې یم. I lost my 50% shares. ما خپله 50% سرمایه له لاسه ورکړه. I will not do an illegal business again. زه به دوباره غیر قانوني کاروبار ونه کړم. illegal ویل کېږي غیر قانوني ته.
Thank God. You are still out of danger. Please bring my son back.
Thank God. شکر الله. You are still out of danger. چې زه تر اوسه پورې له خطر نه بهر یې. danger ویل کیږي خطر ته. Please bring my son back. مهرباني وکړه زما زوی بیرته راوله.
You have to change yourself. We are a family.
You have to change yourself. ته باید خپل ځان بدل کړې. Change ویل کیږي بدلولو ته. We are family. مونږ یو کورنۍ یو.
You are right. I will bring my son back. I cannot live without him.
You are right. ته بالکل صحیح یې. I will bring my son back. زه به خپل زوی بیرته راولم. I cannot live without him. زه د هغه نه بغیر نشم اوسېدلی.
I will quit illegal business. Henry and I will work together.
I will quit illegal business. زه به غیر قانوني کاروبار ختم کم. Henry and I will work together. Henry او زه به یوځای کار کوو. Together ویل کیږي یوځای.
Really? Will you do this for me? I am so happy today.
Really په حقیقت سره will you do this for me؟ آیا ته به دا زما لپاره وکړې؟ I am so happy today. زه نن ډېر زیات خوشحاله یم.
Yes. I will be a good father. Where does he live?
Yes هو I will be a good father. زه به یو ښه پلار جوړېږم. Where does he live؟ هغه چیرته اوسیږي؟
I know his address. He is staying in a rental apartment.
I know his address. زه د هغه پته پیژنم. He is staying in a rental apartment. هغه په یو کرایه اپارتمنټ کې اوسیږي. رنټل ویل کیږي په کرایي. د کرایي په اپارتمنټ کې اوسیږي.
Let's go then. I cannot wait to meet my son.
Let's go then. راځه نو چې بیا لاړ شو. I cannot wait to meet my son. زه نشم کولی چې نور انتظار وکم د خپل زوی سره د ملاوېدو لپاره.
Thanks for supporting me, Dad. I am feeling better now.
Thanks for supporting me, Dad. د ملاتړ کولو څخه ډېره زیاته مننه پلاره. I am feeling better now. زه اوس ډېر ښه احساس کوم.
I will always protect you, my sweetie. I should have supported you before.
I will always protect you, my sweetie. زه به همیشه ستا ساتنه کوم زما خوږې. Protect ویل کیږي ساتنه کول. I should have supported you before. ما باید ستا مخکې ملاتړ کړی وای.
We will go to the court tomorrow. The judge will make a decision.
We will go to the court tomorrow. موږ به سبا ته کورټ ته ځو. The judge will make a decision. جج چې ده هغه به یوه فیصله وکړي. کورټ ویل کیږي ملګرو عدالت ته او جج ویل کیږي ملګرو قضاوت کوونکي ته فیصله کوونکي ته جج ویل کیږي او decision ویل کیږي فیصلې ته.
You will win, Eliza. That goon will be punished. You have to be brave.
You will win, Eliza. ته به یې ګټې Eliza. win ویل کیږي ګټلو ته. That goon will be punished. هغه خوني ته به سزا ورکول کیږي. goon ویل کیږي ملګرو خوني ته ګونډه ته او punish ویل کیږي سزا ورکول. You have to be brave. ته باید زړور اوسې.
Hello, officer. I am listening. Is everything okay?
Hello, officer. سلام officer. I am listening. ما درته غوږ نیولی ده. Is everything okay? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
I have got good news for you. I have caught that criminal as well.
I have got good news for you. زه ستا لپاره یوه ښه خبر لرمه. I have caught that criminal as well. ما هغه مجرم هم نیولی دی. criminal ویل کیږي مجرم ته.
He burned your shop. I have checked the CCTV footage.
He burned your shop. هغه ستا دکان وسوځوه. burn ویل کیږي سوځول. I have checked the CCTV footage. ما دغه کمره کتلې ده. کوم ځای کې چې کمره لګېدلې وه هغه کمره ما کتلې ده.
What? Really? Thank you so much. I am coming right now.
What, sir? Really? په حقیقت سره Thank you so much. ډېره زیاته مننه. I am coming right now. زه همدا اوس درځم.
What happened? You look happy.
What happened? څه واقع شوله؟ You look happy. ته خوشحاله ښکارې.
Police caught that man who burned my shop. I am going to the police station.
Police caught that man. پولیس هغه سړی نیولی ده. Who burned my shop. چا چې زما دکان وسوځوه. I am going to the police station. زه police station ته روان یم.
Really? I will go with you, Dad. I want to see that person.
Really په حقیقت سره I will go with you dad. زه به له تا سره ځم پلاره. I want to see that person. زه غواړم چې هغه شخص ووینم.
Sure. Let's go. Everything will be fine.
Sure یقینا let's go راځه چې لاړ شو. Everything will be fine. هر څه به ټیک شي.
Dad, what are you doing here?
Dad پلاره what are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
I am so sorry, my son. I cannot live without you. You are my life.
I am so sorry my son. زه ډیره بخښنه غواړم زما زویه. I cannot live without you. زه ستا نه بغیر نشم اوسېدلی. You are my life. تو زما ژوند دی.
Let's go home, my son. We will run our business together.
Let's go home my son. راځه چې لاړ شو کور ته زما زویه. We will run our business together. موږ به خپل کاروبار یو ځای چلوو.
You are my son. I can do anything for you. Please come with me.
You are my son. تو زما زوی یې. I can do anything for you. زه ستا لپاره هر څه کولی شم. Please come with me. مهرباني وکړه له ما سره لاړ شه.
I hope you will not sell expired medicine again.
I hope زه امید لرم you will not sell چې ته به خرڅ نه کړې. Expired medicines again. expire شوي دوايګانې دوباره. sell ویل کېږي خرڅولو ته او medicine ویل کېږي دوایي ته.
I swear. I will not do this again. We will live together.
I swear زه قسم خورم I will not do this again چې زه به دا دوباره ونه کړم. We will live together. موږ به یو ځای اوسېږو.
Okay, Dad. I will go with you. Let's go home. I love you, Dad.
Okay dad ټیک ده پلاره. I will go with you. زه به له تا سره ځمه. Let's go home. راځه چې کور ته لاړ شو. I love you dad. زه له تا سره مینه کوم پلاره.
He burned your shop. I have checked the CCTV footage of that area.
He burned your shop. هغه ستا دکان وسوځاوه. I have checked the CCTV footage of that area. ما د هغه ساحې دغه کمره کتلې ده.
You. I knew it. How dare you?
You ته I knew it. زه تا پیژنم. How dare you. ستا جرأت څنګه وشو؟
Eliza, how do you know this guy?
Eliza, how do you know this guy? ته دغه شخص څنګه پیژنې؟
He is his friend, Dad. He is with Goon. He has to pay for everything.
He is his friend dad. هغه د هغه ملګری د پلاره. He is with Goon. هغه له هغه خونی سره و. He has to pay for everything. هغه باید د هر څه لپاره بیرته ادا وکړي.
You burned my dad's shop. You cannot get away with your boss.
You burn my dad's shop. تا زما د پلار دکان وسوځاوه. You cannot get away with your boss. نشي کولای چې له خپل مشر سره وتښتېږي.
You both will be punished soon. I will not forgive
You both will be punished soon. تاسو دواړه ته به ډیر زر سزا درکول شي. I will not forgive you. زه به تاسو معاف نه کړم. Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کولو ته.
you.
You burned Eliza's father's shop.
You burn Eliza's father's shop. تاسو د Eliza د پلار دکان وسوځاوه. We have proof. موږ ثبوت لرو. Proof ویل کېږي ثبوت ته.
Proof.
I am so sorry. I did not want to do this. My boss told me to do.
I am so sorry. زه ډیره بخښنه غواړم. I did not want to do this. ما نه غوښتل چې داسې وکړم. My boss told me to do this. زما مشر ما ته وویل چې داسې وکړه.
Do this.
Your friend destroyed Eliza's life. You both will be punished.
Your friend destroyed Eliza's life. ستا ملګری د Eliza ژوند تباه کړ. Destroy ویل کېږي تباه کول. You both will be punished. تاسو دواړو ته به سزا درکول کېږي.
You both will be staying in jail for the next 20 years.
You both will be staying. تاسو دواړه به پاتې کېږي یا in a jail په جیل کې for the next 20 years د 20 کالو لپاره.
You will have to pay $30,000 to Eliza's father as
You will have to pay تاسو به ادا کوئ $30,000 $10,000 to Eliza's father as well د Eliza پلار ته هم.
well.
I am so happy today, Mom. I got justice. I won the case, Mom.
I am so happy today mom زه نن ډیره خوشحاله یم مورې. I got justice ما انصاف ترلاسه کړ. Justice ویل کیږي انصاف ته. I won the case mom ما کیس هم وګټو مورې.
I cannot describe my happiness in words. I will live my life again.
I cannot describe my happiness in words. زه نشم کولی چې خپله خوشحالي په خبرو کې درته اظهار کړم. Happiness ویل کیږي خوشحالي ته. I will live my life again. زه به خپل ژوند دوباره تیروم.
What? That goon raped her.
What, sir? That goon raped her. هغه ګونډه یعنی هغه خوني د هغې سره زنا وکړه په زوره. Rape ویل کیږي یو چا سره په زوره زنا کول.
Yes. She is fine now. She got justice. That goon is in jail now.
Yes, ho, she is fine now. هغه اوس ټیک ده. She got justice. هغې انصاف ترلاسه کړ. That goon is in jail now. هغه خوني اوس په جیل کې ده.
I want to meet her. Where does she live?
I want to meet her. زه غواړم چې له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم. Where does she live? هغه چیرته اوسیږي؟
She lives here. This is her house.
She lives here. هغه دلته اوسیږي. This is her house. دا د هغې کور دی.
Henry, what are you doing here? How did you find me?
Henry, what are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟ How did you find me? تا زه څنګه پیدا کړم؟
You are a good girl. I am in love. I want to marry you.
You are a good girl. ته یوه ښه جینۍ یې. I'm in love. زه په مینه کې یم له تا سره. I want to marry you. زه غواړم چې له تا سره واده وکړم.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me, Eliza?
I want to spend. زه غواړم چې تیر کړم the rest of my life with you. زما د ژوند نوره پاتې برخې له تا سره. Will you marry me, Eliza? آیا ته به له ما سره واده وکړې, Eliza?
You don't know me, Henry. I know you will not marry me.
You don't know me, Henry. ته ما نه پیژنې, Henry. I know زه پوهیږم you will not marry me چې ته به له ما سره واده ونه کړې.
No, Eliza. I love you a lot. I heard about that goon. It was not your fault.
No, Eliza, نه Eliza. I love you a lot. زه له تا سره ډیره مینه کوم. I heard about that goon. ما د هغه خوني باره کې واورېدل. It was not your fault. دا ستا غلطي نه وه.
I want to accept you from the bottom of my heart.
I want to accept you. زه غواړم چې تا قبوله کړم. From the bottom of my heart. زما د زړه له کومې. Accept ویل کیږي قبلولو ته.
Will you marry me, Eliza? You are my queen.
Will you marry me, Eliza? آیا ته به له ما سره واده وکړې, Eliza? You are my queen. ته زما شهزادګۍ یې.
Say yes, Eliza. Henry loves you a lot. He is a good boy.
Say yes, Eliza. هو ورته ووایه, Eliza. Henry loves you a lot. Henry تا سره ډیره مینه کوي. He is a good boy. هغه یو ښه هلک دی.
Yes, I will marry you, Henry. Thanks for coming in my life.
Yes, ho. I will marry you, Henry. زه به له تا سره واده کوم, Henry. Thanks for coming in my life. زما په ژوند کې د راتلو لپاره ډیره زیاته مننه.
Sir Henry, do you accept Eliza as your wife?
Sir Henry, ښاغلی Henry. Do you accept Eliza as your wife? آیا ته Eliza قبلوي د خپلې حیث د خپلې ښځې په حیث باندې؟
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do مطلب هو.
Miss Eliza, do you accept Henry as your husband?
Yes, I do.
I declare you husband and wife from now on. Congratulations.
I declare زه اعلان کوم. I declare you husband and wife. زه اعلان کوم چې تاسو میړه او ښځه یاست یا. From now on له اوس څخه. Congratulations مبارک.
Congrats, Eliza. We accept you.
You are a good girl.
Congrats Eliza مبارک دی وی Eliza. We accept you موږ تا قبلوو. You are a good girl ته یوه ښه جینۍ یې.
Congrats, both of you. God bless you. May you live long.
Thank you so much. I am so lucky to have you in my life.
Thank you so much ډیره زیاته مننه. I am so lucky زه ډیره خوشقسمته یم to have you in my life چې تا په خپل ژوند کې لرمه. lucky ویل کېږي خوشقسمته.
I am so happy for you, Eliza. Keep happy, my
I
sweetie.
am so happy for you Eliza. زه ستا لپاره ډیره خوشحاله یم Eliza. Keep happy my sweetie. خوشحاله اوسئ زما خوږې.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are going to love it.